Hey everybody, it's Abandoned Brian and Amber coming at you today. We're going to go for a little walk down the canal here up by that Rortan Club that we did a little while ago. And we're going to check out this other place just up the street from it. What's in there, girl? Huh? That's a pretty neat little spring here. Anyway, if you guys are interested in joining me, you're more than welcome. Come on, let's go see what we can find. So we're actually going up here just a little piece, and there's a yellow house that's been abandoned for a few years, and that's our destination. Do believe this has seen better days, that's for sure. Oh, see the deer over there? Yeah, I guess you're not gonna. They were laying right in here somewhere. Must have just chased them up. I can't believe Amber didn't see them. Anyway, let's head in here. Boy, isn't that nice? I guess right here where I'm standing would have been a wood stove. It's got the stone hearth here. And then right behind me here's the plug-in for the fireplace. I didn't realize this place was logged. This is very nice. Would have been your little bathroom in here. You can see a lot of decay going on though. And it looks like, I'm not going to even step over there because it looks like the floor is about to give way under the toilet. Boy, this woodwork is just beautiful though. I was certainly not expecting that from the outside. Nice kitchen over here. It's just a tiny little house, but it's very nice. This is probably going to be the shortest abandoned video ever, but let's go upstairs and check this upstairs out. Very nice. This certainly would have been a nice bedroom up here. That'd be overlooking your downstairs there. Very nice up here. Looks like we had a visitor at one point in time. Left his skin behind. I don't know if you guys can see that snake skin there or not. Yeah, well, not much to it. Very short video, but hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, and if you want to see more like it, go ahead and subscribe. Somebody's been living in there too. Might even still be in there. Another nice little closet. A little cubby hole into nowhere. Let's get out the light here. Alright, so check out this little cubby. Kind of cool. Underneath the stairs here. Even had a light up here for you. Nice little storage space. Kind of cool. Yep. Pretty neat. I don't know how you get in the basement. I think we might not be able to get into the basement. Might be blocked off still. There's that little guy living in there since we got the light out. Anyway. I suppose that's about it. Except maybe the walk back. Sorry for such a short video, but it is what it is. So we got a little tiny garage here too. And it doesn't look like much of anything. Kind of a falling down building. It's actually in pretty good shape, but it's got a tin roof on it. It's like anything, they usually hold up pretty good until the roof goes. But yeah. And there's the little house there. Very quiet out here today. Very peaceful.